HONOR X7a review, the most affordable Honor smartphone yet. The HONOR X7a has officially landed in the Philippines, and it's here to redefine what a budget smartphone can offer. At just 7,990 Philippine pesos, this device is currently the most affordable in Honor's lineup, and it's already making waves. As a bonus, the first few lucky customers will also receive a free pair of Honor earbuds worth 1,590 Philippine pesos. Not bad, right? Plus, it's even 2,000 pesos cheaper than its predecessor, the HONOR X7, making it a standout choice for those on a tight budget. But the big question is, does the HONOR X7a deliver enough value, or is it just another entry-level smartphone? Let's dive into every detail and find out why this phone deserves your attention. Design. The HONOR X7a comes with a modern yet minimalist design that closely resembles its predecessor. At first glance, you'd be hard-pressed to tell it apart from the X7. However, a closer look reveals a redesigned camera module on the back, featuring a sleek rectangular housing. This subtle tweak adds a fresh and stylish touch to the overall aesthetic. Available in a stunning ocean blue color, the phone is eye-catching without being overly flashy. Despite its plastic back, the build quality feels solid. The metallic edges give it a premium vibe, and it fits comfortably in your hand. It's slim enough to slip into your pocket, even alongside your daily phone. However, the back panel is a fingerprint magnet, so we recommend using a case to keep it looking pristine. On the right side, you'll find the volume rocker and a power button that doubles as a fast and reliable fingerprint scanner. Up top, there's a dual SIM card slot with microSD card support, while the bottom houses a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port, and a loudspeaker. Display. The HONOR X7a features a 6.74-inch IPS display with a 1600 by 720 resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. This large screen is perfect for streaming videos, browsing, and casual gaming. While the bezels are on the thicker side, particularly at the top and bottom, it doesn't detract much from the viewing experience. The screen delivers vivid colors with decent contrast, although some users may find the colors slightly oversaturated. Thanks to its bright backlight, the display performs well even under direct sunlight, making it easy to use outdoors. That said, we noticed some occasional lag when scrolling quickly through menus or social media feeds. This could be due to the hardware limitations of the phone, which we'll discuss in the performance section. Camera. The HONOR X7a boasts a quad camera setup on the rear, 50-megapixel main sensor for sharp and detailed shots, 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing landscapes or group photos, 2-megapixel macro lens for close-up shots, 2-megapixel depth sensor for portrait photography. In good lighting conditions, the X7a's cameras produce impressive photos with vibrant colors and good sharpness. The Pro mode allows you to tweak settings for even better results. For casual photographers, this phone is more than capable of delivering social media-ready images. However, low light performance is where the camera struggles. There's no dedicated night mode, so expect some noise and softness in dimly lit shots. The 8-megapixel front camera is decent for selfies, but tends to apply heavy filters, which may appeal to some users, but not everyone. Video recording is capped at 1080p at 30 frames per second for both front and rear cameras, while the footage is acceptable for casual use. The lack of optical stabilization means you'll need a steady hand to avoid shaky videos. Performance. Under the hood, the HONOR X7a runs on the MediaTek Helio G37 chipset, paired with either 4GB or 6GB of RAM. Our review unit comes with 6GB RAM and HONOR RAM Turbo, which allows for slightly better multitasking by using storage as virtual RAM. However, this is still an entry-level processor So don't expect blazing fast speeds. The phone handles basic tasks like texting, calling, and browsing smoothly. It can even handle casual games like Asphalt 9, albeit on low settings. However, more demanding games or apps will show the phone's limitations. This isn't a gaming phone, but it's fine for light entertainment. Storage-wise, the X7a offers 128 gigabytes of internal storage, which you can expand via micro SD. This should be plenty for photos, apps, and videos. Battery. One of the standout features of the HONOR X7a is its massive 6,000 mAh battery. HONOR claims this phone can last up to 3 days on a single charge, and from our testing, this isn't an exaggeration. PC Mark battery test. 15 hours and 1 minute. Video loop test. Over a full day of continuous playback. Casual use. Easily lasts 2 to 3 days. When it's time to recharge, the phone supports 22.5 watts fast charging, which can take the battery from 15% to around 45% in just 30 minutes. Software. The X7a runs on Magic UI 6.1, based on Android 12. The interface is clean and straightforward, but there are some pre-installed apps that you might want to uninstall to free up space. Customization options are limited, but you can still personalize the device to some extent. For connectivity, you get 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5.1, and dual SIM support. While it doesn't have 5G, it's still sufficient for everyday use. Who should buy the HONOR X7a? The HONOR X7a is a great choice for first-time smartphone users or kids, those who need a reliable backup phone, budget-conscious buyers who prioritize battery life and decent cameras. While it's not a performance beast, the X7a excels in the essentials. At 7,990 Philippine pesos, it offers fantastic value for money with a huge battery, solid cameras, and a sleek design. What do you think of the HONOR X7a? Is this the best budget smartphone for 2023? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and tech updates.